Saiya, Maharashtra by Rituraj Gaikwad. Both teams well balanced and some big names there. Mumbai, you've got Ajinkya Rahane, you've got Prithvi Shaw, Shardul Thakur bowling, Tanush Kotian and Shams Mulali, the two spinners. Maharashtra, of course, got as far as the batting goes. Rahul Tripathi, Ankit Bhavne is back, the skipper. Lots and lots of experience, close to 5,000 runs. Darshan Kulkarni 10 innings, 217 runs, just a lone 50.
शार्दुल भी बहुत अनुभवी गेंदबाज हैं, 75 विकेट T20 कैरियर में.
Quick off the blocks. That is good cricket all round. Upish but safe, and that's run into the gap as well.
वाह जी वाह, आवाज सुनिए आप, क्या जबरदस्त टाइमिंग है यहाँ पे.
This time playing it much better. Punch of the back foot, 4 runs. That short one, and it was almost like a tennis forehand, and that will go for yet another boundary. Oh, that's a miss hit, but the leading edge will take it for another boundary. And the short pitch one pulled. Will it be taken? Yes, it is. What an excellent running catch by the captain, leading by example. Rituraj chancing his arm once too often, and Shardul getting reward for the toil he has put in.
ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ ने बनाए 19, महाराष्ट्र 29 पे.
Rahul Tripathi tuck into that one and send it skywards. 6 there. Very well placed. Oh, this time yet another boundary.
विकेट नंबर 2. अवस्थी भी ने वापसी करी है.
This time straight down the throat of the fielder. He'll be disappointed, Rahul Tripathi. Two top batters out. Rahul Tripathi gone for 16. Maharashtra 46 for 2. Ankit Bhavne. Oh, once again middle and leg, and that's asking to be punished. Ankit Bhavne opens his account with that boundary.
Upish, but straight to the fielder, is taken as well. Roston Dice, he strikes here. That's the end of Darshan Kulkarni. We're shaping up well.
एक और बल्लेबाज जिसको अच्छी शुरुआत मिली, वापस पहले जाना होगा अर्शिन को 19 रन बना के. महाराष्ट्र 67 पे 3. लीजिए, अपील हुई है जोरदार, और अंपायर ने भी कह दिया है ये आउट है यहाँ पे.
First ball from Tanush, quick at delivery, is getting the shape, and yes, you see going up in tandem there, the keeper and the bowler. The finger was up, and Ankit Bhavne has got to walk back. He's out for 7 of 6 deliveries. Maharashtra 67 for 4 now. Satyajit Bachav, he comes in, 94 runs for him in 18 innings. Hasn't got a 50 so far. Upish, that's in the air. Fielder coming underneath. And that's taken as well. Very nicely taken. Raghuvanshi was the fielder. And Bachav, he's got to go back. The second wicket for the off spinner, Kotian.
सत्यजीत बच्चों को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. उन्होंने बनाए 6. महाराष्ट्र 75 पे 5.
Divyang Hinganekar, he comes in now, 31 years old. Hasn't got a 50 so far. Strike rate of 137. Oh, Castle there. Trying to work them on the onside. Trying to play that paddle sweep, missing the line completely. And striking timber here, Kotian. The third wicket for him. Hinganekar out without scoring, without troubling the scorers. 75 for 6 now, Maharashtra.
निखिल नायक, अनुभव इनके पास भी है और काफी नीचे आए हैं बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए. हैट्रिक बनाने का मौका है इनके पास.
That's it. The gap as well. That's racing away. That's going to be a boundary here.
Oh, Tanush, that slipped out of his hands. Maximum there.
इस बार सीधे बैट से और ये जबरदस्त शॉट. फिर से बैकअप लाइन डिलीवरी, गैप में खेला है. यहां मिलेंगे 4 रन.
Oh, that's true. That's 4 runs.
इस बार ऑन साइड पे ये जबरदस्त प्रहार है.
Oh, that's a good Yorker. And is given. So Qazi isn't happy. No batter ever is happy being given out leg before.
सारी दाढ़ी तोड़ी है शेटगे ने. काजी ने बनाए 32. महाराष्ट्र 136 पे 7.
Ramkrishna Ghosh. Oh, 4 runs.
मारा तो ये भी जोर से है जी.
So runs coming in this over for Maharashtra.
गेंद काफी हवा में है और क्या कैच पकड़ा है अंग्रेज रघुवंशी ने. आगे भाग के जबरदस्त कैच पकड़ा है अपनी टीम के लिए. घोष ने बनाए 11 रन. महाराष्ट्र 150 पे 8.
Mukesh Chaudhary. Oh, that's hit. That's maximum. Oh, this time inside out. But straight down the throat of the fielder there.
और इस बार गेंद से ना थोड़ा दूर रह गए थे. बल्ले के बीच में लगी नहीं. अच्छी पारी खेली उन्होंने अपनी टीम के लिए. 38 गेंदों में 47 बनाए. महाराष्ट्र 170 पे 9.
Prashant Solanki. This one innovative shot. So not much of power behind that. Will have to remain content with a single. So Maharashtra end up on 171 for 9.
The target here for Mumbai is going to be 172 in the allotted 20 overs at a required run rate of 8.6. Prithvi Shaw, very experienced. Angresh Raghuvanshi, 20 years old. Mukesh Chaudhary to start the proceedings. Right on the button there, nicely bowled as well. Equally well played by Prithvi Shaw. Down the leg, appealing as well. And the finger is up.
पृथ्वी काफी हैरान थे वहां पे. लेकिन आप देखें कि अगर आप विकेट कीपर को देखेंगे, गेंदबाज को देखेंगे, उनको कुछ सुनाई दिया था.
Prithvi Shaw out without scoring. Mumbai 0 for 1. Shreyas Iyer very experienced.
यहां पे रन्स मिलेंगे और मिलेंगे भी 4.
Nicely played in the gap. Lovely shot from Raghuvanshi. Apesh, but in the gap. Lovely shot there. Very nicely placed.
और यहां रूम पे फायदा उठाया.
Going over the top. Just clearing the infield.
यहां मिस टाइम हुआ है. फील्डर नीचे हैं और दिलाई है विकेट अश्विन कुलकर्णी ने पहले ही ओवर में. और बड़ी सफलता क्योंकि यहां उन्होंने आउट किया है रघुवंशी को और मुंबई का दूसरा विकेट गिर गया है.
Raghuvanshi, the man out for 21, was shaping up well. 21 of 13 deliveries. Mumbai 32 for 2. The very experienced Ajinkya Rahane.
ये पिकअप शॉट देखिए आप, बहुत दूर गई है जी गेंद. यहां पे भी रन्स मिलेंगे.
This time straight as an arrow. That's going to be another boundary to end the over.
This time Shreyas Iyer stamping his authority over there.
इस बार ऑन साइड पे और 4 रन और जोड़ दीजिए. इस बार अब ऑन साइड पे धकेलते हुए अजिंक्य रहाणे और गैप में खेला 4 रन.
And there comes the reverse shot there. Taken on the full, and Ajinkya is finding the gaps. Shreyas Iyer, last over also we saw that. This time once again the reverse sweep. Magnificent shot that was. Solanki flighting, full toss. Maximum there. What a shot that. Shreyas Iyer brings up his 50 in style.
फिर से कमाल का शॉट मारा है यहाँ पे.
Short ball, yet another boundary. To Ajinkya, and has he mishit it? Oh, that catch went down. Dropping in front.
मौका था जी वहां पे, गेंद तक पहुंच भी गए थे.
And he continues to entertain the cricket lovers here. Pitching it short, but this time an error on the part of the Mumbai skipper. His innings comes to an end.
कप्तानी पारी अपनी टीम के लिए श्रेयस अय्यर ने बनाए 39 गेंदों में 71, मुंबई 142 में 3।
Promising youngster Suryansh Shedge.
यहां फिर से मौका है तीसरी विकेट का, लीजिए तीसरी विकेट मिल गई है उनको।
One wicket and Shedge trying to accelerate there, but picked the fielder on the edge of the 30-yard cordon. Ankit didn't make any mistake. Fails to open his account. Got Bhavne Bol Chaudhary. Mumbai 142 for 4. Shams Mulani is himself quite experienced at the domestic level. This time Apesh, and that will beat the fielder 4 runs. That will bring up his 50 as well. Ajinkya Rahane, what a fine knock.
Pulls it high up in the air. That should be taken. Man the deep and takes it. Ghosh, the catcher, making no mistake.
एक बार फिर से अपनी टीम को सफलता दिलाते हुए मुकेश चौधरी, लेकिन अपनी टीम के लिए अजिंक्य रहाणे ने कमाल का काम किया है। मात्र 34 गेंदों में 52 बनाए हैं, मुंबई 151 में 5।
Hardik Tamore, the keeper batter, he comes in. Hasn't got a 50 so far. Pulls it. And that's... oh, that should have been taken. Could have been a wicket there. Man, the deep, just not able to latch on. Just not able to latch on. Chipping it and once again messing it up. What's happening here? Just hope he's fine because going for that catch, that leap, and then just falling down.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया यहाँ पे, और क्या बढ़िया तरीके से इस्तेमाल किया है।
4 required, pulls it, and that's in the gap as well. That's going to be the winning stroke, the winning runs here for Mumbai. They won this game by 5 wickets. It's been really a good performance by them.
मुंबई के कप्तान श्रेयस अय्यर ने टॉस जीत के पहले गेंदबाजी करने का निर्णय लिया था और शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी हुई थी महाराष्ट्र की। टॉप ऑर्डर को अच्छी शुरुआत मिली थी, अच्छी स्ट्राइक भी कर रहे थे, लेकिन गेंदबाजों ने कमाल किया। कोटियान